Lamdam asida leiriba paumi singi maraktagi Manipuri media asibo Maitai media haina uhanaba aranba thaba kaya tauriba si tawdabana fai social media platform singda fongba yadaba pau kaya fongzilakpa asina media firm singda yamna chawna pressure lakli haina Editor Guilds ki President Khogendra Khomdramna nungnangba wafam thambaga loinana Home Department ki maikaidigi advisory ama thoglakpa asina khara makhaidi safari haina fongdorakli Wafamasi Media for Communal Harmony and Responsible Journalism hai bihiram da pangthokpa nomagyoiba seminar da fongdokhibani EZM amade Directorate of Information and Public Relations na kusam naduna North AOC da leiba Hotel Imphal da pangthokpa seminar adu Chief Minister Yumnam Khemcha na hogdokhi Thoromaduda Amzu ki President Asem Bakta Manipur Hill Journalists Union ki President Peter Adani amadi Media Advisor to CM Oinam Sunil DIPR ki Director TH Charanjit State asigi tuwan ba media firm singi editor reporter amadi mahiroi singna sarupyakhi Seminar hogdokpa thorom aduga mari leinana EZM ki President Khogendra na makha taraduna state asida communal harmony leiribra haibagi wahang lakpa loinana media ethics ta mawong maril ita taraktrei amaromda lamdam asida leiriba media firm singna Akhanaba guideline amagi makhada ningthina khana nainaraba matung athingba kaya leiraga su thabak tawri Home Department ki maikaidigi ikuidana advisory ama thorakpa sina state asida leiriba media firm singda khara makhaidi safari adubo advisory asi yaningdaba kaya na akanba wafam kaya thamlakpa pressure pirakpa leikre haiki loinana state asigi hausi wariba issue asigi matangda state asida lakhiba EJI amadi PUCL gi Mihut Singh na EZM amadi Manipur Hill Journalists Union wafam amata tabi khide haina nungaitaba fongdorakli
One day standalone media for communal harmony and responsible journalism in Manipur.
Mang the Pamigo Mahirwishing, the one to one Mediagi Pillar Lakadoriba, Mojo, the Mahing Technolokini, as a thing of the Yaroi, Manipur upon the already country. University they give fresh Sangak Pasina, Hoi Manipur, the Pomi, when a Sangaka, the Moina Tamak Paturi, the West Wise, the Ababo applied over Yaro. Classroom doesn't over money, or was not over money. It takes to Karikara on the Pumsai side. Other quite again of no activities, a quick bombing, Maratagi, Mikana, no money, Kandi Kangi, but then the Hagagi, Maitala, Shiva, Hidare, a quay machine, the Halagan, I get over man among the one of our Shidanaga, Hoi Manipuri media, Maitai media, Adu Adana. I was a Mating part of note of what worked over me, yo, Siam something.
Thauromaduga mari leinana Manipur Hill Journalists Union ki President Peter Adani na state asida mapaldigi changsilakpa illegal immigrants singna state asigi law and order drug trafficking yauna tuan ba issue kaya thorakli issue sing asi waroshin purakpa ngamlavadi tungi mirol na aikhoi bu suksoi soidana thagat pirakani Manipur lengak na state asigi hausi kori ba issue sing thengnana ba akhanaba policy ama sembagi tangai fadaba leire haina fongdokhi Seminar ki Amzugi Advisor RK Nimai na moderator oikiba ahanba session da Home ki Joint Secretary Dr. Mayangbam Beto na resource person oina decoding media advisory by Manipur Government Home Department 6 IRB CO amadi Special Commando ki SP Dr. S Ibomchana combating misinformation rumors and hate speech in digital era loinana AMU ki Mass Communication Department ki Associate Professor Natasha Elangbam na Journalism for Peace, Lesson, Changes and Best Practices from Conflict Reasons hai bihiram da wangangki. Aduga Senior Journalist A. Movina, Moderator Oikiba Anishiba Session dana EZM ki Secretary General Yumnam Rupachandra na Responsible Reporting During Communal Tension and Conflict Situation hai bihiram asida wangangki.
Manipur needs more stringent, more strict measures that we don't leave this unresolved conflict, unresolved issue to our younger generation. Today, if we're able to curb this illegal immigrant issue with more stringent measures, I think tomorrow our children, our generation will thank us, appreciate us for this strong, concrete measures that we take. My take here is how we deport, how we push off these outsiders that is actually inflicting enough of problems in our state, starting from law and order, starting from drugs, starting from all these issues that we have today. And I don't solely blame on a community, but with that strong government policy, I think we'll be able to resolve this issue of drug trafficking, issue of illegal immigrants in the presence of our dignitaries, especially from the government, who will be able to give wonderful suggestions in drafting, in framing those policies.